Hello, my friends. My name is Abhay Bhaskar Kalekar. I am from Swami Ramanand Tirth Marathwada University in Nanded. My seminar topic is the structure of a protein. So, what is a protein? The protein molecules which yields amino acids upon a hydrolysis are called as a proteins. Proteins are the natural polymer of the amino acid. This is a natural polymer of the amino acid, and the number of amino acid in a protein molecule may range from 2 to several thousands. In these protein molecules, the number of amino acids are present, that is a 2 to several thousands. The protein molecules, it is a macromolecules and which contain the nitrogen, carbon, hydrogen and oxygen atoms. Then the definition of the protein. The protein is a naturally occurring, extremely a complex substance that consists of the amino acid residues joined by the peptide bonds. This is a protein is a naturally occurring substance. It is a very complex one, and it consists of the amino acid. The chain of the amino acid are present in the protein, and these amino acids, they are joined by the peptide bonds. Then the proteins are present in the all living organisms and include the many essential biological compounds such as enzymes, hormones and antibodies. These protein molecules are included in the all the living organisms, and also the essential biological compounds such as enzymes, hormones and antibodies are also present in the living organisms. Then the structure of the protein. The proteins can have four levels of organization. They are as follows. One is a primary structure, second one is a secondary structure, third one is a tertiary structure, and fourth one is a quaternary structure. वन बाय वन आपण जे फोर स्ट्रक्चर्स जे आहेत ते आपण पाहूयात. फर्स्ट वन इज अ प्रायमरी स्ट्रक्चर. Primary structure, it is a simplest structure, has a long chain of the amino acids which are joined by the peptide bonds. This primary structure is a very simple structure other than the secondary structure, tertiary structure, quaternary structure. This all the structure are the very complex one, and this primary structure is a simpler structure. In this primary structure, the chain of the amino acids which are joined by the peptide bonds. In the chain of the amino acids, the left side is the first amino acid which is a N terminal or the amino terminal, or the which is a amino terminal or N terminal. Then in the right side is the last amino acid or the C terminal, or we called as the carboxyl terminal. Then this structure has a specific sequence of the amino acid, so tells us the about position of the amino acid in the protein, and this is determined by the genes. In this primary structure, the covalent bonds are present. Which is covalent bonds? The peptide bonds, disulfide bond, and these bonds are present in the primary structure. Then the primary structure is the first stage of the protein formation during the protein synthesis, which is a very important point, that the protein formation किंवा प्रोटीन सिंथेसिसच्या वेळेसची प्रायमरी स्ट्रक्चर ही बेटा फर्स्ट स्टेज आहे. देन these are the primary structure of the protein. Then secondary structure is the arrangement in the space of the atoms in the peptide backbone. It shows the way in which the primary structure of the polypeptide chain folds. सेकंडरी स्ट्रक्चरमध्ये काय होतं की प्रायमरी स्ट्रक्चरचं फोल्डिंग होतं. प्रायमरी स्ट्रक्चरची काय पॉलिपेप्टाइड चेन आहे त्याचं फोल्डिंग होऊन सेकंडरी स्ट्रक्चरचं फॉर्मेशन होतं. अँड दिस स्ट्रक्चर इज अ फॉर्म्ड ड्यू टू द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ द पेप्टाइड बॉन्ड्स अँड इंट्रामॉलिक्युलर means the within the molecules, and intermolecular means the between the two molecules, the hydrogen bonds, and due to the interaction between the amino acids. This structure is formed कशामुळे फॉर्म होतं तर ड्यू टू द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ द पेप्टाइड बॉन्ड. पेप्टाइड बॉन्डचं फॉर्मेशन झाल्यामुळं दिस सेकंडरी स्ट्रक्चर आर फॉर्म्ड, अँड दिस हायड्रोजन बॉन्ड्स इंटरॅक्शन बिटवीन द अमिनो ॲसिड्स. देन ड्यू टू द हायड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग द अमिनो ॲसिड कम मोर क्लोज अँड फोल्डिंग ऑकर्स, leading to the formation of two structures. One is a alpha helix and second one is a beta pleated sheets. These are the types of secondary structure. According to the Linus Pauling and Michael Corey in the 1951, they demonstrated that there are the two structural models of the secondary structure. दोन टाईपचे सेकंडरी स्ट्रक्चर आहेत असं लिनस पॉलिंग आणि मायकल कोरी यांनी सांगितलं. Which is this structure? One is alpha helix and second one is a beta pleated sheet. Alpha helix what? Polypeptide chain is a spirally coiled. The amino acid come closer due to the intramolecular hydrogen bonding. पॉलिपेप्टाईड चेन जी आहे ती स्पायरली कॉइल्ड आहे अँड दिस अमिनो ॲसिड इज कम क्लोजर. कशामुळे तर ड्यू टू द इंट्रामॉलिक्युलर हायड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग. इंट्रामॉलिक्युलर हायड्रोजन बॉन्डिंगमुळे ते अमिनो ॲसिड मोर क्लोज येतात अँड दिस पॉलिपेप्टाईड चेन बिकम्स स्पायरली कॉइल्ड. Then this alpha helix is a helical in structure and each turn of the helix contains the near about 3.6 amino acids. The next is the spiral shape make the alpha helix very strong. This spiral shape of the alpha helix makes this alpha helix structure very strong. The alpha helix is found in the keratin of the hair and claws, fingernails and toenails, fur proteins, mainly exoskeleton structures. Then the beta pleated sheet structure. In the beta pleated sheet, two or more segments of the polypeptide chain line up next to each other. Means this polypeptide chain, two or more segments, they can line up next to each other. म्हणजे एकमेकांवरती काय होतात ते लाईन अप होतात अँड फॉर्मिंग अ शीट लाईक स्ट्रक्चर. शीट लाईक स्ट्रक्चरचं फॉर्मेशन होतं विच आर हेल्ड टुगेदर बाय द हायड्रोजन बॉन्ड्स. हायड्रोजन बॉन्ड्सने त्यांना हेल्ड केलेलं आहे. देन दिस बीटा प्लेटेड शीट स्ट्रक्चर is represented as a series of flattened arrows. फ्लॅटेनेड ॲरोच्या मदतीनं फ्लॅटेनेड ॲरोच्या सहाय्यानं हे बीटा प्लेटेड शीट स्ट्रक्चर आपण रिप्रेझेंट करतो. देन नेक्स्ट स्लाइड इज इट इज फाउंड इन द फिब्रिऑन प्रोटीन ऑफ द सिल्क फायबर्स अँड फिदर्स ऑफ द बर्ड्स. बर्ड्सच्या फिदर्समध्ये देखील हे बीटा प्लेटेड शीट स्ट्रक्चर आपण आपल्याला पाहावयास मिळतं. देन नेक्स्ट स्लाइड इज टर्शरी स्ट्रक्चर. Tertiary structure is a three-dimensional compact structure of the protein is formed by the folding, coiling and plating of the secondary structure of the peptide chain. This tertiary structure is a three-dimensional which is a very compact structure and this structure is formed by the folding of the polypeptide chain, coiling and plating of the secondary structure of the peptide chain. ज्यावेळेस पेप्टाईड चेनचं फोल्डिंग होतं, कॉइलिंग होतं, प्लेटिंग होतं त्यावेळेस टर्शरी स्ट्रक्चर फॉर्म होतं. Then this tertiary structure is stabilized by the different bonds and forces, that is hydrogen bonds, hydrophobic and hydrophilic bonds, van der Waals forces and electrostatic bonds. These bonds or forces this stabilize the tertiary structure. Then the function of the protein depends on its tertiary structure. It is a very important point that the function of the protein is depends on its tertiary structure. म्हणजे टर्शरी स्ट्रक्चरवरतीच प्रोटीनचं फंक्शन हे अवलंबून असतं. And if this structure is disrupted, then protein loses its functionality. ज्यावेळेस टर्शरी स्ट्रक्चर डिस्टर्ब होईल, डिस्ट्रॉय होईल त्यावेळेस प्रोटीन त्याचं फंक्शन काय करतं, लॉज होतं त्याचं फंक्शन. Then next slide is the tertiary structure can be studied by the X-ray crystallography and NMR, that is nuclear magnetic resonance studies. With the help of these two techniques, we can study the tertiary structure. For example, the all enzymatic proteins, plasma proteins like antibodies, myoglobin found in the muscles. These are the examples of the tertiary structure. The next slide is these are the tertiary structure. Next slide is a quaternary structure. This compact protein structure made up of the two or more polypeptide chains held together a non-covalent forces, that is the same as a tertiary structure. These multiple polypeptide chains are sometimes associated with an inorganic or organic components, which is known as a prosthetic group. In the hemoglobin, the heme is the prosthetic group. The protein with the quaternary structures can also be called as the multiprotein complex or multimers. हे जे काय प्रोटीन आहे ते क्वाटर्नरी स्ट्रक्चर सोबत आपण त्याला काय म्हणतो की हे मल्टीप्रोटीन कॉम्प्लेक्स आहे किंवा हे मल्टीमर्स आहे. देन इफ द फायनल प्रोटीन इज मेड अप ऑफ द टू सब युनिट्स अँड द प्रोटीन इज सेड टू बी अ डायमर. ज्यावेळेस प्रोटीन हे दोन सब युनिट्सने बनलेलं असतं त्यावेळेस आपण त्याला डायमर असं म्हणतो. इफ द थ्री सब युनिट्स वी कॉल्ड ॲज अ ट्रायमर. इफ द फोर सब युनिट्स देन वी कॉल्ड ॲज अ टेट्रामर. फॉर एक्झाम्पल्स द हिमोग्लोबिन प्रोटीन इन द ब्लड. हिमोग्लोबिन प्रोटीन in the blood. Hemoglobin is the best examples of the quaternary structure. Then these are the quaternary structure of the protein. Hemoglobin, it is a complex of the protein molecules. Thank you so very much.